On February 9th, SpaceX completed a 31-engine static fire of Booster 7. This is a final step in preparation for the long-awaited first orbital test flight of the Starship system. Elon Musk lost the title of having the most powerful space-worthy rocket when NASA blasted its own mega rocket Artemis 1 to the moon in November. But the SpaceX founder could win back the title with his company's next big project. Starship, SpaceX's sky-scraping rocket and spacecraft, will launch on its first mission soon, as Musk just confirmed. We will attempt a Starship launch next month. In today's episode with the Clout Boss, we're going to go over every little detail in the announcement that Elon Musk made. So stay tuned. Also, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, so you'll be notified as we drop new videos. Now let's rocket into the video. Musk said on Saturday that SpaceX was planning to attempt to launch its reusable Starship rocket into orbit in March. If remaining tests go well, the SpaceX CEO's comment came in response to a Twitter user asking if Starship was almost ready for launch. SpaceX aimed to demonstrate with the launch that Starship can carry crew on missions with NASA to Earth, orbit the Moon, Mars, and beyond. While the date of Starship's orbital test flight has been a moving target for much of the past year and a half, there's reason to believe we could see the rocket finally fly early this year. Starship successfully completed its first-ever fueling test. The wet dress rehearsal saw SpaceX load both stages of the vehicle with more than 10 million pounds of liquid oxygen and methane fuel. Critically, the company also ran through some of the countdown procedures it will need to complete on launch day. There are some notable upgrades to the orbital launch. Mount-to-valves installed and preparation is underway for the next 33 Raptor engine static fire test. So far, possibly we had seen closures all week, starting Monday, February 6th to Friday, February 10th. During this time, SpaceX will attempt to simultaneously ignite all 33 of the Raptor engines installed on Super Heavy B7, almost certainly making it the most powerful liquid rocket ever tested. Even if all 33 engines never reach more than 60% of their maximum thrust of 230 tons, which is equivalent to 510,000 pounds of force, they will likely break the Soviet In-1 Rep rocket's record of 4,500 tons of thrust, which is around 10 million pounds at sea level. It'd almost be the most rocket engines ever simultaneously ignited on one vehicle. If that milestone is completed without significant issue, there's a chance that SpaceX could move directly into preparations for Starship's first orbital launch attempt as Musk planned. In the likelier scenario, some issues arise and some repairs are required. The path will be more circuitous, but should still end in an orbital launch attempt late this summer if it fails. Musk is always excited about the upcoming flight. Success is far from certain, but excitement is guaranteed. During that flight test, the colossal booster will separate about 3 minutes after and land in the Gulf of Mexico. According to federal filings, the ship will fly in space around Earth at an altitude of over 150 miles, then splash down off the Hawaiian coast. This will be a crucial demonstration of hardware, and NASA is depending on it to get humans back on the moon in the next few years. And if successful, it'll mean Musk is one small step closer to realizing his personal dream of building a city on Mars. Leave gravity behind and join me as I help foster the next generation of explorers, scientists, and engineers. So, subscribe. I focus on news and updates from SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and NASA. If you're interested in space exploration, you've come to the right channel. We love space and hope to inspire others to learn more.